Hi everyone, my name is Danielle from Criminology Black Tea. I am here to discuss the nature of criminology. So, as what Sir Jomar's discussion that generally criminology cannot be considered as a science because it has a not yet acquired universal validity and acceptance, which means dili pa siya universal accepted sa atua. So, ang criminology kay considered nga science. It is an applied science because we studies crime. So, speaking of crime, naadiri ang pag-investigate sa usa ka person. Mag-apply to tayo ang chemistry, mathematics, which is ang pag-analyze sa krimen. So, we ask ourselves as considered as a social scientist when we deals a crime. It is a nationalistic study of crime must be in a relation with the existing criminal with the territory of us, a country. Ay pagatuang law dari is dili rani sa tuwang lugar unlike sa lain na nasod is lahi sad kay we are different from them. Man, we are different to other countries speaking of making a crime. When this crime exists, in the legal point of view, crime exists when the person being proven guilty by the court. Kung kana siya is na-prove na guilty sa court is automatically na file na siya o kaso. Crime is pervasive, so means diri is walay pili kung naa kay sala, dapat siya panagutan. So crime is expensive. So each of us natay mga rights but dili ta na nakaagi yung crime, so kasagara is nagamit og money nag-expose sa ilang kadato kay tungod para nga mabarter ang kaso, but this is unfair. Sabot na sa mga private, ang uban is na-save ra because the money that they spent. Crime is destructive. Many lives has been lost due to crime, including properties. Kasagara sa uban, tungod aning crime is makadestroy og life sa uban nga tawo. Like example, naakay tao na needed siya tabangan but because aning crime, instead para na sa pagkatao is ma-delay siya. So, crime is reflective. Naka-reflect kung unsa ng klase ang gibuhat nimo na butang ang country. Crime is progressive. As population grows, crime rate also increase as well as the manner how crime are committed. So kita, nag-increase ang crime rate diri sa tunga tungod sa uban nga naanay online scammer, mga online scam, or bali sa pagka-high-tech ba karon. That's why ni-increase siya. So, that's all.